Hey friends, I'm Heather Pace from Sweetly Raw, and today I'm sharing my recipe for an easy fruity chia pudding that is nutritious, it's delicious, it's filling, and I can't wait to show you how to make it. I'm going to start with my basic chia pudding, and for this I'm just using chia seeds and my homemade almond milk. You can use store-bought, and I'm not adding any sweetener because I'll be adding fruit into the porridge, so this is it. If you want to make your own almond milk, simply soak 1 cup of raw almonds in water for 12 hours, drain and rinse them really well, add them to the blender with 5 cups of water, blend, and then strain through a nut milk bag. So I'm adding 2 cups of almond milk to my bowl. It's so creamy. And 3 tablespoons of chia seeds. And then I'm gonna whisk it all together. And I'm gonna leave this on the counter and whisk it periodically for the next 10 minutes or so. I wanna make sure that it doesn't get any lumps and stick to the bottom. Okay, I'm back a few minutes later. Starting to thicken up. I'll stir it again. Full thickening takes at least an hour. I find that if it's thick in under an hour already, then it's actually gonna get too thick. So this is looking good. So here's what it looks like after sitting for an hour. Now, you don't have to leave this on the countertop the whole time. I just did to kind of expedite the process, but you can see how it's thickened up. And it'll continue to thicken as it sits in the fridge. This fruity chia porridge is so easy to make, and it's really delicious. My chia has sat in the fridge overnight and it's thickened up beautifully. You want it to be still fairly thick because then I'm gonna add in some banana. I'm gonna mash that up, so it's gonna water it down a little bit. And then I have frozen strawberries that I thawed, and then some frozen wild blueberries. And you can totally use fresh, it's just that I had these already on hand in the freezer. So I've already gone ahead and mashed 1 banana like this. And now I'm gonna add in some of my thick chia porridge. Let's see, probably about there. And stirring it all together. And if it's too thick, you can add a bit more almond milk to it, or mashed banana. So there we go. I have my porridge, and I'm gonna add in some of my thawed blueberries on top. And strawberries. See, I'm not even worrying about making it pretty, but it is naturally pretty. There you go. Few coconut flakes on top, and there you have it, an easy chia porridge bowl.